Anything that's human is mentionable, and anything that is mentionable can be more manageable. When we talk about our feelings, they become less overwhelming, less upsetting, and less scary. Said by Fred Rogers. You don't have to be positive all the time. It's perfectly okay to feel sad, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, and anxious. Having feelings doesn't make you a negative person, it makes you human. Yes, of course, all these things which we feel is a very natural thing. And to spread the awareness regarding this, we celebrate Mental Health Day on 10th of October 2020. Mental health for all, greater investment, greater access. This is the mental health which is the greatest investment we put on a human. ये सबसे बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है, बिकॉज इफ अ ह्यूमन इज मेंटली हैप्पी then everything goes in a smooth way and the life which is very precious is preserved. So if we go through the meaning of mental health is something that we all need to talk about and we need to take the stigma away from it. We should talk about the mental health. हम लोग बहुत avoid करते, we don't usually talk about what is mental health, mental peace, the problems which we are facing, we hesitate to share. But we should talk about all these things. और ये जो एक स्टिग्मा, if we go through the meaning of stigma, typically in Hindi it is कलंक. अगर हम उस कलंक को हटाते हैं, कौन से कलंक को? मेंटल हेल्थ, जिसको हम बुरा मानते हैं, राइट? अगर इस चीज को हम हटा देते हैं and if we treat mental health as a very normal thing, we can overcome our problems. It's perfectly okay to feel sad for sadness, feel angry for angerness, frustrated for frustration, and feeling scared and anxiety for every situation you are dealing with. And we should tell to our mind that this all is very, very, very natural and we can go through it. So let's raise the awareness, let's move and let other move in this journey of illness. जो भी इस इन प्रॉब्लम से जूझ रहा है, the people, those who are going through these type of illness, we should raise awareness, we should we should spread awareness and we should always treat the people in a positive way. We should spread positivity everywhere. So how we can help these people? If anyone is going through certain problems and if we are going through certain problem, how we should react, right? Why we should take care of our mind? We should take care of our mind to prevent mental illness. People lose their temper, people become very sick, right? If they are not mentally happy, अगर वो mentally happy नहीं है तो बहुत सारी problem start हो जाती है, right? They start being unhappy, they start being sad, they start going into depression. There are several things which they go through. So mental fitness is very much important to succeed in life, to succeed in school. If we are going through certain bad experiences and we are only sticking to that experience, हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं, then also we can not get success. क्योंकि हमारा सारा focus is on the problem. We are not focusing on our life. We are not able to focus on our life. To build confidence, और अगर हमारे साथ कोई बुरा incident हो जाता है and we are suffering from some negativity, then we also lose our confidence. Generally in small kids we can observe कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी कभी उन्होंने कुछ गलत बोला है on the stage and somewhere like that and बच्चों ने उनका मजाक उड़ा दिया, from that they lose their confidence, they don't have the confidence to speak anywhere in front of the audience. So this is what we should overcome. हो जाता है, everyone, it happens with everyone, किसी से भी गलती हो सकती है. To live a positive and healthy life, अगर हम एक अच्छी लाइफ बिताना चाहते हैं, then we should try to overcome the problems and we should try to cope up with all these problems. Now how we are going to do it? Very first is we should eat healthy foods. If we are going to eat healthy food, our mind, our body will be healthy. And if you need someone, you can ask to take care of yourself. You can ask others, you can share your problems to others so that they can take care of you. Being kind to others and yourself. You should be kind to others also and to yourself also. The better people to share your problems are your parents, your brother and sisters, who will definitely solve your problems and who will definitely help you to overcome that situation. You should go outside, give a relaxation to yourself. You should learn to understand and express your emotions. You should always express. You should always tell. And you should always make positive friendships. If you are making someone your friend, you should always make a friend who always encourages you to do good things, who always encourages you to be in a positive mood. These are the 10 ways to help your child look after their mental health. These are the certain ways in which you can help your children. And if I'm talking about my kids, my students, these are the things how you all can help you, how you all can look after your mental health. First of all is you should choose a role model, and that role model should be positive and he should always बी पॉजिटिव इन द लाइफ. आप हमेशा उसको पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन में देखो, ऐसा रोल मॉडल आप सिलेक्ट करो. देन यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर स्लीप. प्रॉपर स्लीप, दैट मीन्स आई हैव ऑल्सो ऑलवेज told you, I have always been telling you that you should always have a proper sleep of 8 hours minimum, 7 to 8 hours. Then you should always play. You should always indulge yourself in some creativity. Then also you should have some relaxation by some breathing exercises or some normal exercises which keep you relaxed. You should keep talking to your parents. You should always talk about your problems to your parents, to your elders whom you think that you can share to. Coping skills. You should always take examples from your elders how they are coping with the problems they are facing. That is why I told you to choose a role model like that. Well-being. You should always have a proper diet, a proper eating habit and physical activity also. You should always take time of self-care. खुद की भी care करो. You should always try to give time for your hobbies, for time to yourself. खुद के लिए time निकालना is very important. Then you should always try to make decisions. Autonomy means to make decisions by yourself. You should try to make decision by yourself under the guidance of your parents. Right? Relationships. You should always have a positive relationship with everyone. Right? You should be kind to your mind. अपने mind के लिए आपको kind होना चाहिए. You should always not pressure your mind with several things. आपको pressure नहीं लेना है. You should not take any tension. Even if you are having any, it's very natural. You have to relax your mind. Do what you love. Do whatever you want to. Do whatever you love to do. Have fun with friends. You should have fun with your friends also. Be active. You should be active in doing the things. This will keep your mind working in a positive way. Celebrate what makes you special. Like your parents also, celebrate your birthdays, your special occasions. Then you should eat healthy. Whenever required, you should take a break. If you are studying continuously and you need a break, you should take a break and then continue your work after that. Connect with others. You should try to connect yourself with others. Give your time. You should give yourself time to adjust. ये नहीं कि हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, नहीं. You should give yourself time to adjust. Help out, share a smile. You should always try to help someone and also share a smile, because when you help others, you will be also happy, making others happy. So if you are helping others, you will be also happy and you will make others happy. Sing. You should sing songs to relax your mind. Give a hand, that means helping hand. You should have a proper sleep. You should do things which are big and small, no matter what. If the things are big or small, but the things should give you happiness. You should be unique. If you are different from others, it's very normal. It can be. You can be different. You can be unique from others. Feel totally free to be silly. अगर आपको कभी मजाक मस्ती करने का भी मूड है, तो you are free. But you have to go according to the atmosphere. You have to go according to the mood of the others also. Giggle and laugh. गिगल एंड लाफ. हंसने का कोई भी मौका नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. हैप्पी होने का कोई भी मौका नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. You should always try to be happy and spread happiness among others also. Now, here are the 10 ways to look after your mental health. First is you should talk about your feelings, and I told you that your parents are the best person to whom you can share. Keep active. If you are active, you are definitely going to use your mind and you'll be creative in that case. So you should be active. You should eat well. You should take a break. You should drink sensibly. Okay? At what time you are drinking what. Keep in touch. You should keep in touch with your relatives, friends. Do something you are good at. जिस चीज में आप बहुत अच्छे हो उसको तो जरूर करो. Accept who you are. अच्छे हो, जैसे भी हो, आप अपने आप को वैसे ही accept करो, क्योंकि no one is perfect in this world. No one is perfect. So accept कि ठीक है मेरे अंदर ये बुराई है. You should work on your problems. You should work on your things. But you should accept yourself as you are. Ask for help. You should not hesitate in asking help from others. And you should always take care of others. Because when you take care of others, it returns also. अगर आप किसी के साथ अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो आपके साथ भी अच्छा होगा. There are 5 ways of well-being. Be active, connect. Be active, I have told you previously also. How to connect, I have told you. Take notice. जो भी चीज आपको खुशी देती है उसको जरूर करिए. Give your time, give your words, give your presence. Keep learning. Learning जो है ना उसका कोई एज नहीं होता. तो so you should learn, keep learning always. And you should learn from the experiences also of others. I have told you to do whatever you want to, but yes, without hurting others. So these are certain ways in which you can keep yourself happy even after you are having many problems. I hope you'll be following this and you are helped by some of the points which I have discussed in the video. Please take care of yourself and be happy, stay positive and stay connected. Thank you and have a good day.